Right, so we're in the garage today and we're going to talk about how to mount these pannier boxes out of the way, because as you can see, it makes the bike really wide and it makes it difficult to move around the garage. The garage isn't that wide, so it's a bit of a pain. So we're going to mount them on the wall. So what I've done is I bought off eBay, off the marketplace, a Givi top box mount and a set of Givi pannier mounts. These are actually off a BMW, but it doesn't matter because we're going to cut them off, drill some holes, mount them to the wall. And the good thing about these, of course, is they've got the locks on them, so they're going to be secure to the wall. You need the key to take them off. And when they're on the wall, I can use them for storage, so it's a win-win situation. So yeah, we're going to cut these up, drill them, mount them to this wall, out of the way. The actual top box mount is a SW Motec one, which I bought off eBay. Brand new, it was only £35 plus postage. So it's cheaper buying this brand new than a lot of second-hand ones off the marketplace. And again, we're just going to mount it on the wall, stick the top box on it. Right, so we're going to put these on the wall. I want the box to open up fully for storage. So we need to make sure we leave at least 22 inches of space at the top, and also because it's comes out over, we need to leave at least 6 inches for the lid to move that way. Not too bad, that one. So back from the bench, that's what we started with. After we took the hacksaw to it, took a few brackets off, we're left with a nice plain ring, which will fit nice and flat to the wall. This will then fit to it using the normal locks, and then it'll open up for storage. Now actually from this point to here is a bit longer than I measured earlier. We're going to have to give it about 10 inches away from the wall, so that'll open up fully. And obviously 20 inches from the top, so the lid opens up fully. I marked horizontal, I marked vertical to fit the frame. I held it in place. I drilled some pilot holes through the 4 holes that I previously drilled in the frame. Drilled out the wall, put some plugs in, and now I've got some 50mm screws, which I think will be long enough. Yeah, they should be long enough. Just screw it in the wall. Just do anything now. Get them all lined up. Oh, so cold in the garage today. And it's pouring down. That looks fine. So we'll just fasten this to the wall. I was like to finish your hand tight. I want to be tight anyway. Lovely. Opens up lovely. Plenty of storage space. Nice and secure. When that locks out, it's locked to the wall. Right, same for the other one. Back from the bench. Second to the last one's been done. We've got 4 holes drilled. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the wall where I need to be for this to open okay and for me to get my key in. So now it's just a case of putting some little pilot holes through. Get it in position first. So just a little bit higher, I think, than the other one, just a little bit. So 4 pilot holes. Last one. for wall pumps. And that. I'd love to say 4 candles, for those that know. Time for 4 screws. Can I have 4 candles, please? 4 candles? No, no, no. 4 candles. These are 4 candles. 4 candles. Ah, yeah. Gotcha. Alright. And now, the moment of truth. That's the panniers done. They're locked securely to the wall. I can get my key in. I can open them up. See if I can open this one up. Open that one up as well. Securely on there. If I want to take them off, it's just off. And then onto the bike. I was going to put the top box just there, but it's a bit low, so I think I'm going to stick it over here, up and out the way. So yeah, that's my plan. That's going to go just there. So we've got some holes at the bottom. I'll have to drill 2 holes at the top and then mark, same as I did with the top, with the panniers. Drill through, drill the wall, put some more plugs in and mount that. Drill 2 extra holes in the top. I'm going to use the 2 holes that are already in the bottom. So we'll drill out part of the holes, we get it somewhere where we want it. Somewhere like level. Right. Something like that. That's, I'll do 1 hole first. Maybe easier to do 1 hole first, I think. I'm up. Some as well. Right. Put this one screw first. Get it level. Right. Lock. One off there. One off there. One off there. Right. I'll take it over. I'll leave that as is. Okay. So the reason I've done it this way is so it'll hook on the bottom. There we go. Secure bracket out the way. And of course, got a bit of storage space. Right, it didn't take too long. 2 old Givi racks and a top box mount. Cut them, drilled them, mounted them to the wall, and as you see now we've got 2 panniers securely locked onto the wall, and our top box. They're out the way, they're on the bike so I can move the bike around. Everyone's a winner. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see a bit more on the Ducati, all about touring and the actual touring when we go. I think we're doing the Northumbria 250 next, and then obviously we're still planning for the Alps trip, which we'll go through on one of the videos. Right, catch you in the next video.